Hello folks, this is your boy Alex, and today I'm back with a new lesson for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys the family members in Haitian Creole. Membre famille, the family members, membre famille. And let me take this time to say thank you to you all for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your like and for your comment. And thank you for sharing my videos to your loved one, your family, and have everyone else. All right, so let's get started. Let's start with father, papa, mother, mama, mother, mama. All right, brother, frère, sister, sister, uncle, tonton, aunt, ma tante, cousin, Cousine is for woman. Cousin is for men, and cousine is for woman. Cousin, cousine. All right. Grandfather, grandpapa, grandfather, grandpapa, and you can also say grand-père, grandfather, grandpapa, or grand-père, grandmother, grand or grandmère, grandmother, grand or grandmère. You can also say grand or grandmère. All right, guys. Nephew, niece, niece, father-in-law or stepfather, beau-père, father-in-law or stepfather, beau-père. All right, mother-in-law or stepmother, belle-mère, mother-in-law or stepmother, belle-mère, brother-in-law or beau-frère, brother-in-law, beau-frère, sister-in-law, belle-sœur, sister-in-law, belle-sœur, stepbrother, demi-frère, stepbrother, demi-frère, stepsister, demi-sœur, stepsister, demi-sœur, Godfather Parenn, Godfather Parenn, Godmother Marenn, Godmother Marenn, son, Pitit Gason, daughter, petite fille, wife, madame, husband, mari, child, Timon, grandchild, petit, or you can also say petit, grandchild, petit, or you can also say petit. All right. Widow, veuve, which is for woman, widow, veuve, widower, veuf, which is for men, widower, veuf, which is for men. All right, widow, veuf, widower, veuf, widow, veuve, widower, veuf. All right. Boy, petit garçon, girl, petite fille, Godchild Fiyèl, Godchild Fiyèl. All right. Men, garçon, woman, femme, men, garçon, woman, femme, girlfriend, ménage fille, girlfriend, ménage fille, boyfriend, ménage garçon, boyfriend, ménage garçon, great grandparents, grand-grands-parents, great grandparents, grand-grands-parents, great grandfather, grand-papa, great grandfather, grand-grandpapa. Alright? Great grandmother, grand-grand, great grandmother, grand-grand-grand, great grandmother, grand-grand-grand. Alright, guys? Alright? Alright? Alright, so let's repeat them again, guys. So let's start over. Let's start over and repeat them after me, alright? I'm gonna repeat them, and then that will be your turn to repeat after me, alright? You know, practice makes perfect. So it's when you're practicing, you're gonna learn the thing, alright? So let's start over. Father, papa, mother, maman, alright? Brother, frère, sister, sœur, uncle, tonton, uncle, tonton, aunt, ma tante, cousin, cousin, cousine. Cousine is for woman, cousin is for men. Alright? Grandfather, grandpapa, or you can also say grandpère. Grandfather, grandpapa, or grandpère. Alright? Grandmother, grand, or you can also say grandmère. Grandmother, grand or grandmère. Nephew, neveu, niece, niece, father-in-law or stepfather, beau-père, father-in-law or stepfather, father, beau-père. Alright? Mother-in-law or stepmother, belle-mère. Mother-in-law or stepmother, belle-mère. Alright? Brother-in-law, beau-frère. Brother-in-law, beau-frère. Sister-in-law, belle-sœur. Sister-in-law, belle-sœur. Stepbrother, demi-frère. Stepbrother, demi-frère. Stepsister, demi-sœur. Stepsister, demi-sœur. Alright? Godfather Parenn. Godfather Parenn. Godmother Marenn. Godmother Marenn. Godfather Parenn. Alright? Son, Pitit Gason. Son, Pitit Gason. Daughter, Petite Fille. Daughter, Petite Fille. Wife, Madame. Wife, Madame. Husband, Mary. Husband, Mary. Child, Timoun. Child, Timoun. Grandchild, Petit à Petit, or you can also say Petit Petit. Grandchild, Petit à Petit, or Petit Petit. Alright. Widow, veuve. Widow, veuve, which is for woman. Widower, veuf, which is for men. Garçon, widower, veuf. Alright, widow, veuve, widower, veuf for men. Alright, boy, petit garçon, boy, petit garçon, girl, petite fille, girl, petite fille. Alright, GodChild Fiyèl. GodChild Fiyèl. Alright, GodChild Fiyèl. Man, garçon. Man, garçon. Woman, femme. Man, garçon. Woman, femme. Girl, girlfriend. Girlfriend, ménage fille. Girlfriend, ménage fille. Boyfriend, ménage garçon. Boyfriend, ménage garçon. Alright. Great grandparents, grand-grands-parents yo. Great grandparents, grand-grands-parents yo. Alright. Great grandfather, grand-grandpapa. Great grandfather, grandpapa. All right. You can also say grandpère. All right, grandpère or grandpapa. Great grandfather. All right. Great grandmother, grand or grandmère. All right. Great grandmother, grand or grandmère. All right, guys. I think that this is all for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, if you've been watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with your loved one, with your family, from me. Okay, guys. And until then, see you next time. God bless you. God loves you, and I love you too. All right. Bye.